As you can see guys, we are on to another video, and today's topic is going to be on shipping barcodes. So what are the barcodes that you need while shipping your product, guys? So let me show you what you will be needing, guys. As I showed you in my previous video that you have to choose in the label products tab. You have to choose number of labels you want to print, and you have to click on the print labels for this page. This is the barcode, guys, that you will be only needing for pasting it in your product. One barcode in one product, guys. You have to send this to your supplier, and they will do the work for you. They will have idea what this works and how this works, so you don't need to be thinking and taking headache all the time. So this is the barcode that you will be needing to print in one barcode in one item. So this is the first barcode, and second barcode is box labels. So for box labels, as I showed you in my previous video, you have to come to shipping labels, and you have to choose print box labels type. And guys, you have to send this to your supplier too, and you will be pasting the barcode in your box carton. So this is the way they will paste it for you, guys. The two barcodes that you have to send it to your supplier.